everyone, this video is going to be about setting spray. So I know that at first it can sound a bit weird to have done your makeup completely and then go in with a spray to kind of wet all of your makeup. Setting spray is specifically designed to make your makeup stay on a lot longer through touches, through sweat, through anything that you encounter during the day or the night, whatever you do, to just make it last longer and make it look a lot longer like you've just applied it. There are a lot of different types of setting sprays that kind of make your face look a lot more dewy, where it's glowy, or that kind of hydrate your makeup throughout the day, or anti-shine if you're really oily. It's quite important to look for your type of setting spray. Just whatever your skin needs to make the makeup stay on longer. The most important thing about your setting spray is having a good diffuser, where not just like drips come out of the diffuser and just leave little spots of drips on your makeup, which happens. You really want setting spray to come at you as a mist instead of actual drops that hit your face. Then another key part here is that you need to make sure that there's alcohol as an ingredient in your setting spray, just because the alcohol is going to make sure that your makeup stays on longer. If there's no alcohol in there, it's not really going to do anything. It might hydrate or something like that, but it's not going to make it stay longer. Then how do you want to use it? You kind of want to use it not too close, not too far. Just make sure that the mist hits your face. People usually use it at like half an arm length away. Then you just spritz it all over your face. You don't need half a bottle on your face. Just a few spritzes is good. Just hit every single area of your face. Maybe the areas where you know that it's going to fade a lot faster, you can spritz a little more. That is completely up to you. I usually use a fan to kind of make it dry a lot quicker and to be able to move on to my next step in my makeup routine. A great tip, especially if you don't have a good diffuser and you have actual drips of the setting spray coming onto your face, is to not do your mascara before that. Just leave it until you've put on your setting spray, just because mascara is pretty much the only thing, except for maybe eyeliner, that can actually get wet and start dripping down your face, and then gonna have to start over again, which isn't really the goal here. Then another sweet benefit of using setting spray is getting rid of the powderiness. You know, when you see someone with a lot of makeup on, you can just tell because their face is really powdery. Get rid of all that powderiness. I mean, the powder is still going to be on there, but just using setting spray on top of that, it's not going to look like powder anymore, and it's going to sink into the skin a lot more. So just after you've applied powders, when you use your setting spray, it's all going to look a lot more natural, a lot more like it is just your skin instead of a lot of layers of foundation and concealer and contouring and things like that. And we've also seen in a previous video that you can kind of make your eyeshadow look a lot more vibrant, even your highlight if you want, anything powdery that you want to put on your face, you can make a lot more vibrant by just spraying your setting spray on the brush and then applying it to your face. So I feel like that's it on the topic of setting spray right now. I hope you enjoyed it, that maybe it was useful to see this, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!